Hey y'all, let's watch me do this takedown and HD lace frontal wig install. So I start off by taking her existing crochet braids out, and my sweetheart was so sleepy, so she slept most of the appointment, but now I'm going to be scrubbing her scalp with some cleansing water just so I can break up some of that buildup before we get to the washing bowl. And here I go section by section and scrub this cleansing water in just to scratch up everything at the scalp, assess the hair, and make sure everything is clean before we really get to the washing bowl. It was at this point that I put the massage bed up so she can take a nap while I went to town on this lace, y'all. It's HD lace, but you guys, I plucked this lace to the literal gods. My client is Nigerian and she is obsessed with these like heavy widow's peak Dracula style hairlines, and honestly at first I was hating. I was like, I don't know about it, it's giving Dracula, it's giving Halloween, but literally y'all are gonna see at the end of this video I have a little surprise bonus footage for you guys and y'all. Okay, but also let's talk about this new lace glue I've been using. It is also a Nigerian-owned lace glue company, and I will tag her below. Her name is Hugo. She has her own lace glue, and I love it. It's waterproof. It really does the job and gets the job done every single time, especially if you're in Texas. This heat is so horrible. You need something that's waterproof, so yes, I will definitely link it down below. Now, y'all, look at this hairline. No edges, no makeup on the edges. Okay, and if y'all can see right here, you can see like that rippling effect. We did fix that, but that was not in the footage that we did. We were so tired. We had been working on that for 6 hours, but boom, this the footage that I told y'all about, y'all. Now look at this hairline. My client the next day was also Nigerian, and she had bought a wig from me that was HD lace. So I said, let me whip up this hairline again. And y'all, it ate down. Look at this lace. Gone are the days that people come sit in my chair and ask for those baby hairs. I'm not doing it. This is what I'm doing, okay? I'm gonna make a video soon of my process, and you guys, HD lace, I don't know. I was a hater at first, but y'all, I'm in love. I'm obsessed. And I don't even feel bad about it. Okay? What Rihanna said. Y'all, look at that. If y'all want a tutorial, drop some comments down below. Tell me what y'all think about this HD lace. And this wig right here is from my wig collection. It's on the website. The link's in the bio. Y'all, what do y'all think about this? What is this? What is this giving? I love it. I love it. Like, I'm not from Nigeria, but I feel connected. Like, a lot of my clients and colleagues are Nigerian, and you guys, they know how to do some hair out there. I gotta get out there. I'm going. Bye, y'all. Mwah.